Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, and in the right corner, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Get ready for the ultimate face-off. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades come in at a cool $24, while the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body will set you back $49. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some cash, so product A takes the first round. Alright, let's dive into the actual shaving experience. The Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades boast a revolutionary blade that delivers a fast, clean shave. Plus, the coated blade reduces razor burn and protects your precious skin from nicks and cuts. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is a true multitasker. It can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair, and the 360-degree blade adjusts to the curves of your face. I don't know about you, but I love a razor that can do it all. So, product B wins this round. Versatility is key when it comes to grooming gadgets. The OneBlade replacement blades can be used wet or dry, with or without foam. You can even take it into the shower, but hold on because product B is here to steal the spotlight. The OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body comes with a 5-in-1 stubble comb and a body comb for an even trim on your face or body. Plus, it includes a click-on skin guard for extra protection in sensitive areas. Now, that's what I call versatility. Round 3 goes to product B. Let's talk about longevity. The OneBlade replacement blades come in a pack of 2, and each blade can last up to 8 months. That's a lot of smooth shaves, but wait. The OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body also includes 2 blades, one for your face and one for your body. So it's a tie in this round. Last but not least, let's discuss subscription savings. Both products offer a subscribe and save option on replacement blades, allowing you to save up to 15%. So it's a draw in this category. The Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body put up quite the fight. In terms of price, product A takes the crown, but when it comes to the overall shaving experience and versatility, product B steals the show. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and grooming needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic showdowns and smart buying tips. Until next time, stay sharp.